Hey, I'm here doing this job, and somebody asked me about this thing I used to pull mud out. It's a stomper. You can buy these at pretty much any hardware store or any, Home Depot, Menards. But he asked if I could mix mud with it, and absolutely I can. Let's see if you can see this. I'll have to spin the camera around. But you see that box of mud? It's some all-purpose. And what I'm going to do is I just opened it up. I tucked the bag around the edge here, see? And so I can add a little water to it. So I'm going to add a little water to it, and then I'm going to mix it up. Let's see if I can't set this up so you can see me. So I'm just going to add a little water to this. And then I'm going to mix it up a little bit. And because I didn't get the bottom mixed up really well, because I just mixed up the top, now I'm going to take it, put it in this bucket, and finish mixing it. And now I have some really nice creamy mud. Have a good day. Hey, if you really like this video, subscribe. And if you really, really like this video, share it with somebody else. You have a great day.